So today I'm going to be reviewing Anastasia's Subculture palette. I have not owned an Anastasia palette before, so this is going to be my first one. So far I love it. So here's the box it comes in. Here's the palette itself. It does have that velvety, soft feel on the outside. Here are the colors. As you can see, there are very unique colors, not a lot of nudes. They're really bold statement colors. Personally, that's what I like about this palette. It kind of forces you to experiment with colors you usually wouldn't use or even find in common palettes. I so far have created a lot of really fun looks with this palette so far. I know there's a lot of hype with the Anastasia palettes, and I can totally see why. The colors come off so easily when I put the brush on it, so this palette is going to last a long time. They're very pigmented and bright. You can really see it when you put it on. As you can see, I want all of Anastasia's palettes. They are just so good. I actually got this one at TJ Maxx for $19.99. I think the reason that it was there is because this is the old formulation. I believe there is a new one, which you can get on Anastasia's website. But still, this is a very good palette. Even with the old formulation, I still love it. And I was a little bit worried that it wasn't a real one. Maybe it was like a knockoff, but I did do some research, and even on Anastasia's official website it does say that TJ Maxx is a retailer for their products, so this is legit. Never did I think I would like yellow eyeshadow so much. Green, blue, neon lime green. Thanks to this palette, like I said, it forces you to use unique colors and it ends up giving you really unique looks that not a lot of people have. So now I'm going to show you how I did this look and what colors I used from this palette. So I'm going to start off using Untamed in the crease. Now I'm going to use the lighter color Destiny to blend on top of that. Now I'm going to use some concealer to cut the crease. So you're just going to put concealer on your eyelid right under your crease. Now I'm going to put edge on my eyelid. And now I'm gonna add electric just to the first half of my lid, the inner half. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my review on this palette and my short little tutorial on how I did this using the Subculture palette.